What? Curry? Yes, mama. Wash your meat. You see how she wash her meat? With lime juice and water and little vinegar. You see, people? You have to well season your meat, people. Proper. Scallion and thyme and onion and tomato. And what else? You have to make it sit on and settle. Toast everything. Yeah, man, you have to burn the curry, man. If you don't burn the curry, you don't know what you do, you know, people. Yeah. Make that cook down. Side figure, moms. Add in a little bit of water, but don't tell us to add in the coconut milk. Aye. Not no nice like piece of scotch bonnet pepper. It's Irish. Mama, look at coconut, I take it in there now. All better. Still look